This is the elevator, the Holiday Inn Express, in Mount Airy, North Carolina. Gonna go for now.
Looks like an Otis.
Uh-oh, the phone light's on.
Well, don't mess with it.
I wonder what that means.
Probably just means the light's on.
Oh, okay, yeah, probably.
Hear that motor. Took a while to level. Yep, it is on, isn't it?
Yeah, what did it say when it's on?
Light
It
on
says,
call.
light on call placed. Right, so good, so. I mean, not necessarily good. It's,
I'm stopping on the
Yep,
way.
that's okay. No?
Heading down.
we are.
You look very cute.
Stopping on that before.
Nice small bit.
That's okay, sweetie. Public elevator.
Heading down.
And I think you've been snacking all afternoon. He knows what's good. Graham crackers. You can have steak. You're full.
Okay, hold the door open for everybody.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Y'all have a great day.
Now we'll go up.
Okay. Oh, wait, there's somebody else coming. Ask him what floor.
2, please.
All right.
Thank you so much.
There we go.
Having fun in Mount Airy, Mom?
Yeah, how about you?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, let this gentleman
Thank
know
you
first.
so much.
You're welcome.
Get out.
And I'll get a cab view after I get a fixtures. Okay, yeah.
It goes.